Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a starter on a Kia Soul updated. Start by disconnecting the negative battery cable, then safely raise and support the car with jack stands. Remove splash shields if needed and locate the starter at the transmission bell housing. Unplug electrical connectors, remove mounting bolts and compare the old starter to the new unit. Reinstall in reverse, tighten bolts to spec, reconnect the battery, and test crank before lowering. Begin by labeling any electrical connectors and photographing their positions for reference. Disconnect the solenoid wire and the main battery cable, then unbolt the starter's mounting hardware while supporting its weight. Carefully lower the starter from the bell housing, noting alignment and any shims or spacers. Compare the removed starter to the new unit, checking flange shape, pinion size, and mounting hole spacing before proceeding to install the replacement. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and hit like so I can keep making clear car repair guides. Quick recommendation: the Kindle Paperwhite is excellent for reading repair manuals and wiring diagrams anywhere, and I find it handy in the garage when I need a reference. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want one. And now let's get back to the video. Position the replacement starter and start bolts by hand to ensure correct threads and alignment. Tighten mounting bolts gradually in sequence to the specified torque, then reconnect the main battery cable and solenoid wire firmly. Reinstall any splash shields or heat shields removed earlier, lower the vehicle, and reconnect the battery if still disconnected. Crank the engine to verify starter engagement and listen for unusual noises. Then recheck fastener tightness after a short test drive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.